Every filmmaker's dream is to bring their creative vision to life with meaningful stories that will leave a lasting impact on their audience. Using talent and technology, they yearn to turn their vision into reality, to touch many hearts. What if there was a powerful, easy-to-use cinematic tool that would free you from the constraints of production time and budget? The company specializing in creating premium professional camera stabilizers and accessories, Goodson Technology, introduces the new Moza SlidePod Pro, a compact, lightweight pod that allows you to get those once impossible shots from any angle. SlidePod Pro is an essential tool for all filmmakers to achieve precise and stable shots anywhere. It's more than a monopod, automatically extending to impressive lengths using a mobile app for wireless control. It horizontal tilts up to 60 degrees with a tripod stand, creating incredibly steady and flexible shots. It's more than a slider, easy and effortless to pack up and quick to set up within minutes. Its compact size gets you into even the most narrow of spaces for those hard-to-reach shots with ease. It is more than a jib arm, with a gimbal and other gears to compose shots with dramatic perspective without using a drone. SlidePod Pro is made from lightweight carbon fiber, solid and weatherproof, stable and sturdy. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor shots. Whether you're a cinematic filmmaker or a product creator, or even if you're a vlogger, we know that you will enjoy the SlidePod Pro as much as you enjoy filmmaking.
Introducing Slider Plus V5, the magically extending slider and its revolutionary motion control add-ons. With its patented unique design, Slider Plus is the first slider in the world that combines portable size with long camera travel. It gives twice the amount of camera travel compared to regular sliders at its size. Since the rails of Slider Plus move together with a camera, they won't get in the shot, which means you will also get twice the dolly in-out range. Thanks to its compact design, you will only be carrying half of what you actually need to carry and work in tight spaces much more efficiently. You will always have your Slider Plus with you, work faster with it, and shoot more on your productions in the same amount of time. Slider Plus has 4 models based on motion range and carrying capacity. All models fit perfectly in the Edelkrone backpack, making it even easier to carry. It requires only a few seconds to set up for quick filming and has an instant lock button that makes it safe and easy to relocate when changing scenes. Slider Plus can also be operated on the ground with the help of its seamlessly designed foldable legs. The legs now have a new locking mechanism, as our beloved filmmaker community requested so. All Slider Plus parts are CNC machined from the highest grade aluminum. Most of its parts are machined from monoblocks to ensure lifetime durability, and with its outstanding moving components, it delivers silky smooth and consistent motion. Details like magnetic snap-on belt clips that saves you time and retracting mounting screws that protect your bag from tears are carefully thought out for a flawless experience. Let's take a look at its industry-leading add-ons that will step up your game forever. If you want to go manual with your Slider Plus and still want to achieve motion control grade smoothness while hand pushing, the Steady module is your solution. While being a mechanical solution that doesn't need batteries, the Steady module easily eliminates shaky hands and enables silky smooth camera motion even at ultra-low speeds and with heavy camera loads. Want to enable your slides and mind-blowing features that will separate you from the crowd? Enter the Edelkrone Motion Control System with Slide Module V3. Slide Module V3 is a smart, motorized add-on that can be attached to all Slider Plus models and controlled with either the Edelkrone app or Edelkrone controller. With Slide Module V3, you can effortlessly achieve perfect slides, stunning motion time lapses, and captivating stop-motion animations. Slide Module V3 provides the necessary smoothness for macro shots and perfectly repeatable motion for VFX shots thanks to its ultra-precise, backlash-free design. And now with the new design of Slider Plus V5, you can do some tasty inclines.
ProAim has launched a new ProAim Sway Pro camera slider. It's an upgraded version of ProAim Sway and has come up with increased length and more camera payload capacity. It's a heavy-duty yet lightweight slider, a really compact camera solution for travel video makers. ProAim Sway Pro uses an unfolding mechanism to slide, which makes it extremely portable, offering a 1.5 feet or 46 cm slide, despite being a quarter of its size. It's a complete mechanical solution, offering silky smooth slides with increased flexibility and ease. Being a travel video maker, it's beneficial for me. I can use this slider anytime and anywhere without being dependent on external power, which is always a good thing. The best part is you are not limited to classic left-to-right moves. Because of the folding mechanism, you are able to perform push-in and pull-out moves without the slider getting into the frame. It's precisely constructed of solid aluminium and can easily carry medium to heavy cameras up to 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. The new locking feature allows you to achieve flawless static shots. Also, the lock keeps the slider folded securely during transport. A friction knob offers more control and helps in achieving smooth movement. There is nothing else which comes from your backpack and delivers 1.5 feet long camera motion. It's surely a right choice for run-and-gun video makers. Big motion in compact size. ProAim Sway Pro.
The Genie changed the way we looked at motion control video and time-lapse. It gave the adventurer the ability to adventure. And it gave creators the freedom to get previously unthinkable shots. But we always knew we could make it even better for filmmakers. So we started from scratch and built Genie 2. Genie 2 is a compact 3-axis motion controller. The modular units separate into a linear drive and a pan-tilt drive. Clicked together, Genie 2 is the ultimate 3-axis filmmaking tool. We completely rebuilt the app from the ground up, adding keyframing for controlling each axis separately, allowing you to create unique motion control moves. Genie 2 has been fully redesigned to be faster, stronger, and quieter than ever. Simplifying setup was at the forefront of development. With an all-new quick-release system, it's incredibly stable and is packed with cutting-edge technology, all without sacrificing portability. Genie 2 works seamlessly with Syrup products, as well as all your other filmmaking gear. Use it with any slider on the market and attach it to dollies, your own DIY setups, or even onto cable cam systems. Genie 2, still simple, still portable, still setting the benchmark in motion control.
Are you ready to move? With the Benro MoveOver 8B portable camera slider, you can achieve cinematic camera movements with ease. Perfect for the filmmaker who wants enhanced production value, this slider is a travel-friendly solution to capturing flawless slider shots. With 35.4 inches of actual camera travel, you can push further to go the distance. The two 15-layer 8mm carbon fiber rails provide smooth and quiet operation while maintaining lightweight strength, making the end result that much better. Supporting up to 17.6 pounds, this slider will flawlessly support the weight of DSLRs or HD video cameras, as well as a flat base head. Each end block is made from CNC machined aluminum and include 3/8, 16th, and 1/4 20 threads on the underside and 2 1/4 20 threads on the top side. The included pivoting all-terrain legs have micro-leveling capability and positive locking rosette connectors. Center mounting the slider is made easy with the included cheese plate underneath the rails, which allows you to attach a camera plate or tripod to 3/8, 16 or 1/4 20 threads. Try mounting your slider upside down on Apple boxes or anything of the same height for a unique slider angle. Adding prominent foreground elements to your scene will provide depth and add flavor to your shot. For more tips on how to get the most out of your slider, check out our slider tips and tricks video. When it's time to go, just pack your slider in the included padded carrying case with shoulder strap for easy transport and protection. Combining lightweight strength with portability and guaranteed value, the Benro MoveOver 8B camera slider gives you the capability to enhance your production value and take your work to a new level. So what are you waiting for? Let's go.
All right, I'm actually below the big W that you guys saw earlier in the intro sequence at the entrance of the university. We actually have Rove set up here, and we're gonna be pushing through this W to kind of show the movement of the slide, but we also have some cars moving in frame, and that's the first point we wanna consider is when you're shooting a motion time lapse, keyword time lapse, you wanna make sure that there's some kind of movement in your shot because the time lapse is basically going to be showing the passing of time, and the slide is gonna give it that motion. But if there's no movement in your frame, like no cars, no clouds, or any people, it's just gonna look like a regular slider shot. That's the first point to consider when capturing this shot is making sure that you have some type of movement in your frame. Before we get the shot, we have to set up Rove and connect it to the Rove Motion app, and it's really simple. I'm gonna show you guys. So first you gotta do is turn on Rove. After that, all you have to do is click the Rove Motion app, click we're using a mobile device. There you have it, easy as that. We're already connected to Rove Pro. As you can tell, we're using Rove Pro, but I've mounted the Rove smartphone mount, which is allowing us to mount our iPhone in order to nail the shot. It's really nice because it's fully adjustable on a ball head. Now that we have the framing set up, we know what we want to capture, and we have Rove connected to the smartphone, let's talk about which time-lapse settings we want to use. First, in the app, we're going to go to time-lapse. After that, we're going to go to Rove settings, and we're going to switch to auto. 15-minute time lapse, yeah, that's good. We want a 5-second clip, which means we're gonna have a 5-second video clip at the end of the time lapse. Let's go to some manual settings. It's a little bit bright, so let's go to about a 2000. Let's go 4000 shutter speed. ISO's at 29, that's good. White balance, a little bit warm. We're gonna switch that to 5500. And also what's great about the Rove Motion app is that we can actually pull focus. So as you can tell, there's a car over there. I can pull focus over there. Make sure that we're in locked focus. So let's see what this time lapse looks like.